I'm Bart Baker, and I'm here to tell you how you can make cold, hard cash by doing something we all do every single day. Ha, that's right, I want to buy your shit. With DoughForDough.com, all you gotta do is doo-doo. It's that simple. This is for real. I'm gonna give you cold, hard cash for what you make with your ass. Now listen. Listen, the government's been stealing your shit for years, melting it down into platinum and gold jewelry. Not anymore. We figured out how they do it, and now it's your turn to cash in. Take a shit, put it in an envelope, and send it to me. And I'll send you some green for that, bro. Your eyes will pop right out of your anus. I'm not f***ing around. DoughForDough.com. You can't lose.
I never thought my government would steal from me, but DoughForDough.com told me they do. Now I sell my doo-doo to DoughForDough.com, and they give me dough. Thanks, DoughForDough.com.
With shit prices at the highest they've been in years, there's no better time to sell your dunce. I accept all kinds of shit. Brown shit, green shit, hard shit, rough shit, smooth shit. Did I mention I like shit? Stop flushing your money down the toilet. Where do you think all that golden jewelry is? Come on, it's not from a cave. Hop on and let your ass start dropping some cash.
You're not the only one that cashed in on Doo, Stu. I also made a lot of money from selling my stools. Ta-ting! Thanks, Gopher Stu.
Come on, start thinking, people. The economy's in crisis. Send me your shit. In these tough times, we all need some extra cash. Why not make it with your ass? The stocks are down, so give me your brown. All you gotta do is make a funny one in the toilet.
My dad used to beat me for all my incessant shitting.
Ow.
Now he just beats me for all my money. Thanks, Gopher Dad.
I love shit. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I just made $100. Start producing money from Uranus. Call now. I have a shit fetish. F you.
Call 1-800-666 shit. That's 1-800-666 shit. Call now.
Wasn't that funny? It's all funny.